I'm going to shut down this video in just a second, but I do want to leave you with a little bit of food for thought, because before you can be comfortable around other people, you have to be comfortable with yourself. And that sounds a little bit, I won't say counterintuitive, it's a little bit cliche, frankly, but it also happens to be true. I think that's one of the reasons in those environments, the social media space, or the college art room space, or just the college space in general, why we have such a struggle fitting in. Because we're probably not quite comfortable yet with who we are. And some of that comes with age. You know, college, all of these interactions are a learning opportunity, right? So it's not going to be intuitive. It's not going to happen right away. It's something we have to work at. But once you accept yourself, accepting others, accepting their faults, and being able to coexist and interact gets to be so much easier. And so that's what I'm going to leave you with, is learn to accept yourself, and you'll be better able to accept others for their faults, their inadequacies, their differences of opinions. And you can engage with the baseball player and the football player, and not just the art dude or dudette or whatever that might be. It's time for me to shut up, but I want you to go create something.